Hi guys, in this video I show you how to replace the battery CR1620 from a Mazda 6 key fob. In this case it's a 2012 key fob. It's quite simple if you know it, so let's do it. We need to separate the two components by using a small flathead screwdriver. We need to push into the gap to separate it. Here you see the where to push it to get it loose. Next, to split the bottom case using a bigger flathead screwdriver. Just rotate the screwdriver or push it to split the case. Be careful when open the case, cause the board can easily fall off and the buttons can easily get lost. So here you see the battery. Use the screwdriver to flip it underneath and remove it. This key fob uses a battery with CR1620. Now put the battery back into the housing and facing the writings downwards. That's it, reassemble the key fob back together. Make sure everything is tied back together. And there you go, all done.